Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'm bringing you this holiday look. I featured a red lip on my Instagram and you guys loved it. I don't wear red lips often, but during the holidays is the exception. I feel like nothing says holiday like a bold red lip. And I love for my red lip to actually last through eating, drinking, dancing, and hanging out with my family and my friends. So for today's video, I'm partnering with About Face Beauty, which is Halsey's brand, to show you guys how quick and easy this look is. The red lip is nice and matte and it's not going anywhere, and the eye look was super easy, and that's exactly what I want when I do a red lip. I don't want to do too much on the eyes because I feel like the focus should be the lips. I'll have a link in my description bar that you can get 20% off of all of the holiday kits. I'll also have the coupon code. They have so many different sets for the holidays, but I'm using the All Eyes on Hue set, which comes with 2 matte fluid eye paints, and then I'm also going to be using the Holiday Punch, which is the lip that I have on right now. And in this set you get a lip pencil, the lip color, and a lip gloss. Browsing through the About Face Instagram, you honestly get so inspired. I mean, Halsey herself, an icon, a legend. I love her. I actually got to see her at Governor's Ball this year and she was amazing. She is so extremely talented, both as a musical artist but also with her makeup looks. I was looking through like just her doing her makeup and it's so inspiring. She gets so creative and makes the looks look so effortless and cool and like editorial and edgy. It really had me wanting to do something like that. So I think for the next look that I create with About Face, I'm gonna do like a bold liner. I stick to my neutrals, but I feel like the brand makes it so easy to use because the products themselves just blend out so easily. So About Face is a clean beauty brand. It's also vegan and cruelty free, and these matte fluid eye paints are so dope, and I feel like I just need all of the colors for personal use but also for my kids. So the All Eyes on Hue set comes with these 2 shades, like a neutral brown and this really pretty like bubblegum pink. This set normally retails for $32, but it is on sale for $25, and you can do so much just with these 2 colors. You can use the neutral shade like I did, just like as a sheer wash of color on the eyes, and it is like the quickest eyeshadow look you will ever do. You can directly apply these onto the skin, or you can apply them onto the back of your hand and use a brush, or you can use like a pointed liner brush and create some really fun looks. So I use this shade Capulets just in my crease, and then the pink is called On Point, and I really want to do like a bold liquid liner with this. You can do a liquid liner, graphic liner, you could do a double wing with these 2 colors. I mean, honestly, you can just do so much with these. So that's the first set, and for this lip I use the About Face Holiday Punch, which comes with 3 products and normally retails for $41, but right now it's on sale for $28. So you have everything you need in this kit to create a bold red lip. So you have the Forever Flame lip liner, which is super creamy and pigmented, and then the matte painted lip color in Fireside. The pigment in this one is super intense, and you can create this really fire bold red lip so easily. So I love that you get the lip liner and the lip color because I never skip lip liner. I mean, with any lip, but especially with a red lip, I mean, it's essential. It's high-key essential to line the lips because it's a bolder color and you want to make sure that the lips are still defined and that you're not going like outside of the lines with your actual like lip color, lipstick. So a lip liner is high key for me, but especially with a red lip. I didn't use this today, but this is the About Face Light Lock Lip Gloss, and this Light Lock lip gloss is in Blame Game. So you can use the gloss to top off the bold lip, or you can use it alone or on top of anything else that you have. But you're getting 3 products that you can like interchange, use them alone, use them together. I am super honored to have partnered with About Face Beauty because the products are super long wearing, high performing, but also vegan, cruelty free. They don't have any synthetic fragrances. They're safe to use. Even though I have like the most sensitive skin and eyes, these products do not irritate me. I love how Halsey and her brand also just empower self-expression and self-love and using your expression through makeup. For today I did the bold red lip, but I want to play around more with the brand and like the fun bright colors. I feel so inspired to actually play with color because I feel like these products actually make it easy to do so. I'm not someone to do like graphic liner or anything like that, but I definitely want to, and I feel like with these products, because they make it so easy to do so, I'm inspired to. So I definitely want to do something more fun on the eyes. But with the holidays here, I wanted to bring you guys a bold red lip, and one that is actually going to last throughout your festive parties. Don't forget to check out the description bar for the coupon and the link. Thank you so much again to About Face for partnering with me. I'm also gonna have a short version of the tutorial up on my Instagram, so definitely check that out too, at Beauty by Rosita. So let's get into this bold red lip that I love, especially for the holidays. So we're gonna start off with the About Face All Eyes on Hue sets. So this set comes with 2 fluid eye paints. I'm gonna go in with the brown shade, which is called Capulets. This pink is really pretty, so if you want to do like a graphic liner, would really look nice with pink, but we're just gonna go in with the brown, which is Capulets. You can go directly onto the skin and then blend. You can apply it to the back of your hand. If you want to do like a graphic liner, I recommend putting it on the back of your hand and then going in with a precise brush. You could use these for a sheer wash of color, or you can build them up. So if you let it dry and then go in with another layer, it just builds and builds and builds. So I'm gonna go directly onto the eye with the applicator. They're super easy to blend, and that's just one sheer coat. Seeing how they do like editorial looks and just kind of like leaving it just like that. You can easily throw these in your bag and do like the quickest eyeshadow on the go. And you could use your fingers to blend, you could use a brush, you can just use the applicator and just do like an editorial look. Love the shade because it's nice and neutral. It's not too warm, not too cool. And now I'm gonna go in with a smaller brush, and I'm just gonna grab it directly from my hand and go a little bit lower, like right into my crease for a little more definition. I'm gonna do my liner because I feel like I'm not complete without a wing. So I'm just going to do a quick little black liner moment. Now it's time for the star of the show, which is the red lip. This set comes with 3 products, everything you need for the perfect bold red lip. You get a matte fixed lip pencil in Forever Flame. So you get a red lip pencil, painted matte lip color in Fireside, which is a liquid lipstick, and then the Light Lock lip gloss in Blame Games. I typically always go for a matte red lip, and what's awesome about these is that as soon as they set, they're not going anywhere, and that's something that I feel like I struggle with red lipstick. The reason why I don't wear it often is because I don't want to wear it and fear for my life when I'm outside that I'm gonna have like red lipstick everywhere. Funny little story time. One time I wore a red lip to the movie theaters, and I had just filmed a video and I didn't have time to take it off. I trusted it at the time because it was a matte liquid lip, and I guess the butter from the popcorn like melted the lipstick, and I go into the bathroom and I literally look like the Joker. Like I had red lipstick on my cheeks, I had it on my chin. Thank goodness I went to the bathroom while the movie was still playing, because if I would have walked out and everyone outside of the movie would have seen me like that, I would have been horrified because it was a mess. But the good thing about the matte lip paints is that they're super long wearing, so it's not gonna come off. Let's go ahead and apply. And next I'm gonna go in with the painted matte lip color in the shade Fireside. So this is with the red lip, classic wing. So here are the 2 products that I used swatched. We have Fireside on top and Capulet. So that concludes this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Thank you so much again to About Face for partnering with me. I love you all so much, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys.